Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Taker. In this video, I'll be comparing the displays of the Realme X2 versus the Realme X7 Pro device. So this is the Realme X7 Pro is the premium end smartphone from the right now. It's going to launch in India. So which is the Dimensity 1000 plus processor, as you can see here, which has the Super AMOLED panel and 120Hz refresh rate. So this is a very good combination, 120Hz refresh rate plus Super AMOLED panel. So the display is going to be very amazing in the Realme X7 Pro on paper. But let's compare with the another mobile phone from the Realme only. This is a mid-range segment mobile phone which has very good AMOLED panel. So this is also kind of close to Super AMOLED panel. So let's see friends, in this kind of display comparison, which display will be having the better colors, saturation colors and contrast levels and viewing angles as well. And in case if you're wondering what wallpapers I'm using for notch and punch hole, try to check the links in description for the playlist of wallpapers. You will find very good amazing videos on the wallpapers. And not only that, even there is a playlist for each and every smartphone in my channel, so check the links in description below. So let's get started with the display comparison between both the smartphones. So first, the basic configurations about the displays you need to know before starting the test. Super AMOLED panel, as I said, the Realme X2 has very good Super AMOLED panel, and the Realme X7 Pro also has the same kind of Super AMOLED panel, and 6.4 inches screen size versus a 6.55 inches screen, as you can see here, 6.55 inches. And you can see Gorilla Glass 5 protection and Gorilla Glass 5 protection on this one, and same kind of resolution on the both. And the phone has the 120Hz refresh rate and 240Hz touch sampling rate on this mobile phone. So in terms of the screen size, the Realme X7 Pro is slightly bigger. So let me try to quickly compare side by side so you can see the difference, how much it is. The difference is not much, so little bit. So just a little bit of the difference is only there. So now let me try to play the same video in both phones and just see which phone will be the best. So right now you can see, friends, I'm playing the same video in both the phones, and one thing I did notice is that you can see the slightly higher brightness level on the Realme X7 Pro. So I'm using the same brightness in both the phones at the moment, high brightness. So both are looking kind of close to each other, so same kind of resolution, like same kind of color saturation I can find. So there is not much difference at the moment. Some scenarios, the Realme X2 is looking kind of saturated and contrast level than the Realme X7 Pro. So in this scenario, if you observe dark blue versus light blue, I think there might be a reason for that one as well. So maybe in the settings, the vivid mode is turned on in the Realme X2, and in the Realme X7 Pro, the vivid mode is not yet present at the moment. But in terms of the color saturation levels, both are kind of looking close to each other. The same kind of same kind of color saturation level is going on between both the phones. So let me try to quickly see whether that's the case or not. So let me try to show you the settings, display. And as I said, the screen color mode is turned on in the vivid mode. So there is no way to turn off the vivid mode. So you need to select either gentle or vivid. So if I select gentle, the colors will be very much yellowish kind of colors. So that's why I left it kind of vivid color only. But in the Realme X7 Pro, there is no such options present at the moment in the settings. So let me try to quickly show you. So you cannot see the screen mode. So let me try to decrease the brightness. So you cannot see the screen mode at the moment in these options, as you can see. So there is no screen mode here. So maybe with the future updates, you might be able to get that kind of mode here in this phone. So friends, there is a quick display comparison between both the smartphones, and let me turn off the studio lighting effects a little bit, so you might be able to notice the difference right now. So there is not much difference between both the smartphones. So both are doing pretty good job in terms of maintaining. And low brightness level and zero brightness level. So overall friends, this is a quick display comparison between both the smartphones, and the final output is that both phones, they are looking kind of very close to each other, and the Realme X2 has the advantage of having vivid mode, so which makes the color more saturated and contrast levels, and the Realme X7 Pro may be having the higher brightness level, but that is a higher brightness level will be only under direct sunlight, so in that mode only, automatic mode. So overall, this is a quick comparison between both the smartphones, and for more videos, make sure to follow me regularly, and thank you for watching. See you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.